Good day, ma'am. My name is Yonjik Diapon. So for now, we're going to solve an equation in ellipse. A vertical ellipse has its center at 0, 0. At its major axis of length is 12. If the distance between the foci is 8, find the equation. So, ang ato center there is 0, 0. Vertical major axis, length of the major axis is 12. Distance between foci is equals 8. Okay. Identify A. Major axis length is equal to A equal 12. Then there is A equal 6. Since it's a vertical major form, so ang resulta na is x squared over b squared plus y squared over e squared equals 1. So, amo na ini ang ato form vertical. So, let's go on here. So, find C. Distance between the foci is equal to C equal 8. So, ang luwa is C equals 4. Amin is isa. So, use an ellipse relationship. So, C squared equals A squared minus B squared. So, ang substitute values nato is 4 squared equals 6 squared tapos minus B squared. So, 16 equals 36 minus B squared. Sanayin mo siya ng B squared equals 20. So, ang ato final equation is A squared over 20 plus Y squared over 36 equals 1. So, amo na ini ang ato final equation. Natag-solve nato siya gikan sa 0 center tapos ang length axis is 12 then ang distance is 8. Amin ang ato mga center, length, major axis 12, distance is 8. Identify nato si A. Tapos ang vertical form kana, then distance nakuha nato si C og si 4. Then naman na yan ellipse relationship. C squared equals A squared minus B squared. Values nato amo na ini ang 4 squared equals 6 squared plus B squared. 16 equals 36 plus B squared o B squared equals 20. So, ang resulta is amo na ini. X squared over 20 plus Y squared over 36 equals 1. Amo na ini ang ato kuan ang ato final equation. So, that's all, ma'am.